What up, gamers? For every single subscriber on this channel, I grabbed $1. So I have a bunch of dollars here.
I think it's gonna be alright.
Yeah.
We got okay, immediately green flags. We got safety gloves that come with it. User manual. Who needs that? Okay.
Come with a screwdriver.
Oh, this actually looks pretty like good. A version of a DeWalt, but it actually looks pretty good. Okay, it comes with a screwdriver. Nice little battery pack, and it comes with the charger. Oh, the battery's fully charged. Safety goggles, glasses. Let's get a
Ooh, that's good right here. Ooh. Perfect slice. Oh, perfect slice.
nice clean cut.
It's bleeding.